These days, the power and usefulness of AI is about building large-scale reliable products. But when your AI system is reliable or not depends on that how accurately you evaluated that. And this is why we have planned this Eval-Driven development workshop for you. So join us on Saturday, 30th May at 11 a.m. Eastern Time for an interactive hands-on workshop that is exactly designed to help you build production-ready AI systems. You will learn how to move from intuition-based testing to a structured, measurable approach. And from defining correctness using some semantic evaluation, we want to build using some robust data sets. So we'll start at 11 a.m. The first session is about building so-called golden data set, which is a high quality collection of real world edge cases, production context that defines how a good quality testing case looks like. Session 2, we use LLM as a judge, and the objective is to create an automated evaluation system that measures your accuracy, tone, behavior, calibrated against human judgment. Session 3, we bring all this together with a technique called green red loop and CI integration. This is about embedding evaluation directly to your development workflows. These sessions are all about building trust in these systems that behave in a reliable way over time. And if you're ready to move from experimentation to production with confidence, come join us.